Kingston, you drop first? I bet. Now it's my turn. Collect that debt. I bet you swung first, now you facing a flame. Black blotch, too stretched, still nobody know the name. Yelling weak insults, yeah, your whole style lame. No real bars, just noise, trying to chase some fame. Caps lock energy, but your disc got no bite. Talk tough online, then vanish out of sight. Kingston, you bluff, but your whole act cracks. Fake king energy with recycled tracks. You flex for the screen, but the hype too fake. One verse from me, got your whole brand shake. So next time you diss, better come with facts, cause black I'm still getting outclassed.
Getting outclassed.